Israeli multiple airstrikes hit the northern Syrian city of Aleppo on Friday morning, killing dozens of civilian Syrian people. At about a.m., when most of the people were asleep, airstrikes targeted several areas in Aleppo's countryside, in which dozens of civilians personnel were killed. A Syrian Defense Ministry statement said at least 38 civilian people were confirmed dead in the airstrikes, according to Reuters news agency, which reported sources saying that 5 of them were members of Hezbollah. The Syrian Defense Ministry also confirmed a drone attack was carried out from Idlib and western rural Aleppo. However, the ministry said the attack was directed towards civilians in Aleppo and its surroundings. Israeli attacks on civilian areas has become a routine practice by the Jewish state on its neighboring countries. The aggression resulted in the martyrdom and injury of a number of civilians' personnel and caused material losses to public and private property, the Syrian military statement said. During the ongoing war, Israel has launched hundreds of strikes on Syria, mostly on the civilian areas, claiming targeting groups allied with Iran, which backs the Palestinian Hamas. Almost all the lost lives are always innocent civilians, mostly women and children, which to the Israelis is an unashamed collateral damage for which they never regret. Neither the civilized world condemns them. This has marked a major escalation in tensions between the Hezbollah and Israel, with the militant group also launching several attacks from southern Lebanon. Israeli Air Force attacks has also increased in vast areas of eastern, southern, and northwestern Syria and in several suburbs around the capital. Meanwhile, Israel continued its bombardment of the southern Gaza Strip overnight despite Security Council's resolution for an immediate ceasefire. Airstrikes and intense fighting continued on Thursday around 3 of the Palestinian territories. Hospitals, raising fears for patients, medical staff, and displaced people inside them. Tehran and its proxies have entrenched themselves across Syria, including around Aleppo and the capital Damascus. Israel has repeatedly struck international airports in both cities over the years to disrupt weapons flows to Iran's allies in the region, but strikes have been deadlier.